Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How's life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I hope things get better. On today's episode, I bring you FabFitFun Winter box. Here we go. And I also will be having a giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. So let's get started with this box. I've already cut it open, so we don't have to hear all the me struggling to get it open. So for those of you not familiar, FabFitFun is a seasonal box 4 times a year. It is $49.99 a quarter, or you can get a yearly membership at $175. So that cuts the price down for like $25 if you decide to do the yearly. If you're a yearly member, you get to customize more items in your box, so you get more items to choose from. And then FabFitFun always picks a couple goodies for you. Picks goodies for everybody, but yearly members gets to customize pretty much the entire box, and quarterly members, I believe they get to customize 2 items, but I'm a yearly member, so if I remember, I usually customize my box. So this is the box, and I was a little shocked when I opened it, because normally when you open the brown box, there's a box in it and it has charity that they give to, but this was a little different. So this is the box. And that are all the goodies. I gave a few nice things. We got a sticker, which is new. It's different. They gave me $15 off your first FabFitFun box. So if you leave me a comment down below, I'll just choose, and you let me know that you do want to try FabFitFun, I will randomly choose someone and send this to you, so you can get $15 off your box. If not, I will there's a link down below that'll save you $10 off your first box, or I think it'll take it off the yearly membership, the $10. So let's also think about, we have a little a little quiz for some wine while we're mashing them up. And then we have the FabFitFun magazine, and Katie Couric is on the cover of this one, and then that's the back. And again, you get to choose, yearly members get to choose from the box. So it says what's in the box, total value is 200 plus. Normally they give like 2 random numbers, but I guess it's just at over 200. And all members get to pick from customizations 1 through 3. Select members get to pick from customizations 4 through 5. Otherwise, we would choose the best option for you. And then FabFitFun Picks is when we surprise you with 3 options we think you'll love. So those are all of the options that they had for this box, which was a little different. I kind of like this box a little more than the previous boxes, and that's some more items. So let's look for the first set. So for the first item I chose, what did I choose out of this bunch? I got the teeth whitener. I've got like 3 teeth whitening products this year. What does that tell you? So I chose 1G's the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit. The whitening gel and LED light tray system gives you a brighter, whiter smile. So I chose that. It was either that or a blanket, a bag, some glasses, an elixir, a robe, which I have like 3 robes, and some earrings by Kate Spade. And I chose the whitener. So did it come? Yes, it did. So here it is. Here. This is the whitener. And I'm going to try these against some other ones. Because I got a Gerard Cosmetics whitener. And I also got this one. So this is $89. There we go. So we'll try this out in the next video. I'll open it up, we'll look at it, we'll try it on. Normally these hurt my teeth, so hopefully this one doesn't. And so I got that. That's the first item. Last time I tried to choose the whitener, they said no. I don't know what happened. It wasn't included. So and that was a set of items that you get to choose from. The second set, so now 2 and 3 are on here. So 2 and 3 I think are down here. 2 was a ceramic mugs moisturizing sorbet by Caldel Vinyl Source Moisturizing Sorbet. Totally butchered that. Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm, boy, I'm really bombing these things. Lucky Brand Solid Brush Scarf. And I chose, what did I choose? Oh, did I choose a scarf? No, this isn't a scarf. I think this is my add-on. What did I choose? Oh, I chose the Impressions Vanity Company LED Vanity Mirror. That's what it was. I got this. So isn't it nice? This is retailed at $45. So $45 for this. Let's see, do we have time to open it? I think we do. I don't have anything. I don't have like a really good mirror. All my mirrors are broke. Oh, it's actually nice. Oh man, but I'm gonna, that's the mirror. I don't want to blind you because I got my lights on. But I'll be setting this up on Instagram. I don't know, does anybody use Instagrams? I've been hearing some horror stories like Instagram is not a place to go anymore. The pictures that don't hit as many likes or hits or as they used to before. Let me know in the comment section what you think about Instagram. If not, I'll do a YouTube short little video on all these, trying these items out. Let me know in the comment section. And then for the third set, it was Limitless Lash Mascara, Laura Geller Cinnamon Spice Eyeshadow Palette, the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Purifying Cleanser, the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pore Dermabrasion, or the Lily Sadu Maroon Velvet Headband. And I picked the Dr. Brandt item because I love Dr. Brandt. So I got the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion, and this is worth like $58, I believe. Yeah, I think so. But like I said, I will list the prices down here, and then at the end we'll give like a total of everything that was worth in the box. For 50 bucks, just the vanity alone was worth it, I believe. So you get all these other extra items, and then if you don't use any of the extra items, you can either sell them or you can just pile them up and then give them away during Christmas or birthdays, or you know, anything pretty much. So let's go on to the next item. So we got Kate Spade New York workout socks. We have the skincare, Tula Skincare, the Muklux Cabin socks, the Vor Hair Care Rhythm of the Rain hair mask and scalp detox, or the Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask. Hey, color. And I chose the socks. And hopefully my daughter doesn't see this video because they're gonna go in her stocking. So I got the Muklux socks, which are these here. Hopefully she likes them. And that's what's pulling out. See, I was able to get something for my daughter for Christmas. And that's what they look like. They're really nice, and they're thick. And that's what the inside looks like. Oh, these are so soft. And these are so pretty. And how much are these worth? These are worth $25. So now we got some socks for Christmas for $25. She probably won't watch this video. They know my kids don't watch my video unless I make them watch my video. So we'll see how that goes. Watch her watch this one video that I don't want her to see. She'll be like, oh, those are for me. So we got these. Oh, there he goes. Somebody must be coming downstairs. So got these socks for $25. And then the next set was Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, cutting boards, apple cider vinegar, a dry shampoo powder, or yeah, just those things. Just those couple things. And I got the cutting board. So these are the cutting boards. I like these because they're color coded, and technically you're supposed to use like different colors for different things, but I just use all the same shit for one. I use one cutting board and I use it for everything. These cutting boards are a set of 4, and they are worth $19. $19.95. I thought that I can use that. Everything else is like lotions and I don't need all that stuff. These I can use pretty much for as long as I take care of them. And then let's go on to the next set of items, which is 6. So it's a Whish Lip Scrub and Vanilla Bean, the Paradox Lucky Stars Blemish Patches, the Below the Belt Croc card case, and yeah, just those things. Just these things up here, I believe. So let's take a look. What did I get? What did I pick? Oh, what? I picked this? Huh, the Whish Lip Scrub. Did I? Oh, wow. I could have did the little purse, but I got the lip scrub. Hey, Cutter, you're back. I don't remember picking this, which is so odd. Did I pick this or something they picked for me? Oh, they picked, okay. FabFitFun picks 1 per box. So they picked this for me. I was like, I don't remember this. Yeah, they picked this for me. Ooh, it smells good. So it exfoliates your lips. And my lips are so dry right now because it's getting cold in Chicago. It's so cold. So the next 3 items are FabFitFun picks. So that's why I was like, this don't look right. And that is worth $20, that lip scrub. The next item was a set of 3 different things. So it was a Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush, the Nord Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies, or I think that's it from those 2 items. So between these 2 items here, shoot, these 2, they gave me the scrunchies. So a set of 3 scrunchies. I don't know, they're different. So those are a set of 3 scrunchies, and those are worth $25 for the 3 scrunchies. And the next set of items was between an eyeliner, a blush, and this nail recovery. Nourish your nails with a blend of alpha hydroxy acids, but I wear these fake ones, so I don't know. I don't think I would have did well with that. What did I get? I got the blush, which I probably would have preferred the eyeliner in this case. Like, you always get a black eyeliner, it seems like, in every subscription box. So it's this Phase Zero Making Moves blusher. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to give it away today. So we got the blush, which looks like that. So the blush, I'll be giving that away. And that's everything, you guys. The blush is $27.50. The scrunchies are $25. So let's recap, and then I got some add-ons. They gave me a Kind bar. Well, that was so kind of them. They got the Kind bar. And you got a sticker. Nice. Normally, I don't think we've ever gotten a sticker. And then I got these as an add-on. These were 3 masks for $11. And I'm going to give these to my daughter today so she can wear these to work. And that's everything in the FabFitFun box. So let's recap quickly so then we can talk about the giveaway. So we got the Whish Lip Scrub and Vanilla Bean. We got the cutting boards. These are actually really nice. They're thin and plastic and they're nice. We got the teeth whitening set. We got the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion, which is great. I think I used another one. I think it was the same brand. It was really good. I love it. I just ran out of it, so I'm glad I got that. And then I got the Muck Lux socks. These are going to my daughter. These are actually really nice. I should have said they were for me. And then I got the Impressions Vanity mirror, which I'm happy to get. I always wanted one of these, and I'm glad I got it. And what else did we get? And then we got the scrunchies, and we got the blush. And I think that's everything, right? So I'll list here what the total for this box is here. And now let's get started on the giveaway. So I am going to be throwing in a bunch of stuff in this bag here. It is full of product. I'll be throwing in some more product. See, it's full. I'll be throwing some more stuff in here, but there's like some lippies. There's an eyeshadow. What else is there? There's another eyeshadow. Laneige lip sleeping mask. There's a bunch of stuff in here. So I'll be giving this away. I'll be throwing the I don't know why I keep calling them crunchies. The scrunchies. That's going as well, and so is this blush. So this is everything that's be going in this giveaway, and this is my second giveaway so far for December. This video is, what's today, the 1st? This video is going up on December 3rd, so you'll have until December 10th to enter this video, so we'll get a week and we'll give all the goodies in here. I might throw in some more stuff in here. I will pack up this bag and I'll throw some more stuff. Again, it's full. We got the blusher that I got today, and we got the scrunchies all going in here. So for this giveaway is not affiliated with YouTube. Right today, this giveaway is only for those that have addresses inside the United States. I mean, if you're in a different country but you have somebody I can send it to in the United States, I could do that. I'm gonna try to get an international giveaway together. I can't do it right now, but I will. So this is open for US. I say US addresses because I know people that are in Canada, but you can send it to somebody in the States, and then they can then get it from there. So that's it. So the giveaway is, all you have to do is just leave me a comment down below. Let me know how to get a hold of you. Or if you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, those are linked down below. And just leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know if there's anything in the box you liked or didn't like. If you want me to try out some of the products that are in the box, or any of the boxes for that matter that I've have out there. I do have some more stuff that I'm going to go going through. I got a little shopping haul video coming, or a couple of them coming actually. But again, the giveaway will have all of this in here. It's got the scrunchies for today and the blush that came today and some other goodies in here. I will pack some more stuff in here. I'll probably throw a gift card in here as well. So just leave me a comment and share this video out. Like and subscribe. You have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to like this video and just leave me a comment about anything, whatever you want to leave me. You can tell me, Sandra, you suck. That's fine. That's just let me know why I suck, what I can do to improve, or if there's any of the items that you want to see in here, just let me know in the comment section. It's all good. It's December. It's a gift. It's a month of giving, and that's what I want to do. And again, if you have time, go look for my other video with the giveaway in it. That was the Walmart limited edition boxes. So go check that one out. That giveaway ends December 4th. But this giveaway ends December 10th. You have 1 week to leave me a comment. You can leave as many comments as you want. I'm not going to limit them to just one, but share the video out. Make sure that more people come and watch the video. And so we can have more giveaways and more stuff throughout the month. So thank you all for being here. Until next time, hasta later.